Hi, I am Rahul and today we are going to discuss the part 2 of Lost Spring. I want to drive a car. Yesterday we discussed about the part 1 that was about Sahib, that the family of Sahib, they came from Bangladesh and they are staying in Simapuri near Delhi, and how they are forced by the parents to do the work of rag picking. Now we are going to discuss that once the author visited Firozabad and what did she see there. Anis Jung, she describes here that Firozabad, which is very famous for bangle making industry, and almost every other family that in Firozabad they are engaged in what? Bangle making के काम में वो लोग सब लोग engage होते हैं. Maximum the families they are doing that. And here glass bangles are a symbol of women marital status. Glass bangle जो होता है, जो चूड़ियाँ बनाने का काम होता है here, तो we can say that this is very famous and this is very popular, and almost all the families in Firozabad they are engaged in such type of work. Guys, I want to tell you that Mukesh's family was also engaged in that bangle making, and Mukesh took the author to his house where author they went through the stinking lanes cooked with garbage. That was very busy street and the lane was very we can say narrow. And when the author she visited the family of Mukesh, she came to know that the condition of the family, that she could watch that it was the poverty all around there, and you can say she also talked to the grandmother. Then Mukesh's grandmother, she expressed her grief in destiny, and उसकी जो grandmother है वो भी बताती हैं कि it was their कर्म, वो उनका कर्म है, and they were born into the bangle maker caste, कि वो bangle maker caste में जन्म लिए हैं. So that shows that how upset she was there, and no man could change what was already decided by fate. और वो ये भी बताती हैं कि this is only due to the fate, only due to the love. In fact, her belief was shared by all the people of Firozabad, and all the families, all the people of Firozabad, they also state like that, they also say like that. सब लोग यही बोलते हैं, यही कहते हैं कि it is the karma and it is the fate of all those guys that they are involved in such type of bangle making industry. So I want to tell you that the author could see bangles everywhere when she visited the family of Mukesh, and she saw boys and girls, they were welding pieces of colored glass to make bangles. And you know, the eyes would get used to the darkness and they often lost their eyesight before their adults. It was also told by them because they had to use all those things in the furnaces, and they had to melt the glass in the furnace, they had to join the glass in the furnace by using the fire and all these things, and only because of that there might be chance of being blind. There might be entering of the small particles of the glass in the eyes, and that could affect the eyes of all those people who were working in the bangle making industry of Firozabad. Mukesh here, he stated that he wanted to be a motor mechanic. It is his dream to the author, but he clarified him that actually there is no education, there is nothing, he doesn't go to school, there is no way to learn anything. Sometimes he watches the flying of the planes in the sky. That time his desire, his ambition, his wish, that becomes more and more active. And he states that there is bangle making industry, but he doesn't want to work there in bangle making industry. He doesn't want to work for that bangle. He wants to be the motor mechanic. So all these things are there regarding this part 2, what we want to tell about this. And Later I will upload some of the other summary of the chapters, and those children who have not subscribed my channel, you subscribe my channel to get the latest update of the videos, that you can watch it regularly and you can get different things on the matter. If you have any problem, if you have any question regarding the chapter, you can put that in the comment box. Here I want to share a little bit points which are given in that part 2 of Lost Spring. So the author tells about another victim who is Mukesh, and Mukesh who wants to become a motor mechanic. He has always worked in the glass making industry, and they are exposed to various health hazards like losing their eyesight as they work in such type of condition in dark and dingy shells. Mukesh's father is blind, as were his father and grandfather before him. And these bangle makers of Firozabad, they are so burdened, they have lost their ability to dream. Unlike Mukesh, who dreams of driving a car, who dreams to be a motor mechanic. So here I have explained the summary of part 2 of the chapter Lost Spring. So if you have any thing to ask me, you can put that in the comment box. Thank you.